Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Welcome today in this edition with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday. It's weekend, February the 27th, 2021. We have here in this additional a Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, and a Sudoku with 4 stars. Alright, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1, and a binary puzzle number 2. But first, I will solve the Sudoku with 3 stars, then the 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. Only 4 Sudokus I will solve today. Maybe tomorrow the rest of the extra Sudokus. I cannot promise you, but if there are any requests, I will do this also. But first, this 3 stars Sudoku number 2391. Yes, 2391, and this one has 25 printed digits. I've already counted. Same with the Sudoku with 4 stars. 24 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. Scan the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 8, 7, and a 2. We have an 8, 7, and a 2 in the first row, so no 8, 7, and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 8, 7, and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here a 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 boxes left, the 8 and the 7. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright, so what are the other 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. Remember this? So I can continue later. Let me mark those 3, 4, and a 9. Okay. And let me scan the puzzle again. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the middle a row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle a row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so in the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, Alright. Five in this row, five in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the five should be there. These three numbers should be the 3, 4, 9. So what are the other two numbers in the first row? Should be the 1 and the 6. Missing the 1 and the 6. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So in the last row, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So the 4 is in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. Yeah, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about these 4 missing numbers in the last row? One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Yeah. Need to wait. Wait. How about... 1, 5, 2, 4, 8, 9. Should be there. Okay. Yeah. Those 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. All right. The 3, 4, 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 5 and 6, 5 and 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have a pair, 6 and a 9 in this column, 6 and a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 and the 9 should be in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other pair? What is the other pair? In this big square for the numbers 3 and 7 are missing. Let me mark those. 7 and 3. That means one digit left in this column for the number 5 is missing. Yes. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Let me mark those boxes. Alright. And now I need to find more pairs. More pairs. 3, 4, 9. Okay. How about these two numbers in this row? For the numbers 7 and 3 again. 7 and 3 again. Missing numbers. Those two numbers in the first column, 7 and 3 again, 7 and 3. Well, we have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 3. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be here. 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 should be here. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 8, 7. Here cannot be 5, 5, 5. 9, 9. Wow. Complicated. 2, 5. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5, no. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. All right. 9, 6, and 7 are missing. 7. Okay. 7, 9, 9. 6. I need more 6s. 6. 3, 4, 9, 3. No 4. 4. 7 in this column, 7 in this middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this should be a 3. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so in the last row. The only two places for the 7 could be here, could be there. Alright, need to wait. 4, 9, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this column are the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 there. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. So one digit left should be the 9. The 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. So no 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. One number left in this column, third column, the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be the 7, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 9 there, so this cannot be the 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. One box left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we see have 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so in the last row, only place for the 6 should be there. One box left in this row, the last row for the number 3. One box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. 3 Star Sudoku, yes. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. I will continue. See you then. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.